Our website works. The links work, the images load, everything functions perfectly. But let's be honest, it looks ugly. Imagine opening a website and seeing a plain white background. Black text, no colors, no spacing, nothing attractive. Would you stay on that site? Probably not. Users decide in seconds whether they like a website, and no one wants to read a wall of plain text. So far, we've learned how to make websites work. We built structure using HTML, but now it's time to make them look good. HTML builds the structure, but something else controls the design, and that something is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it controls colors, fonts, spacing, layout, and positioning. If HTML is the skeleton of a website, CSS is the skin, clothes, and personality. Watch this. Same HTML, but when we add CSS, change the background color, adjust text size, add spacing, everything transforms. Same content, completely different feel. In this video, we are only covering what CSS is. We will learn the syntax from the next video. Remember this simple rule. HTML is for structure, and CSS is for style. And in the next video, we'll start applying CSS step by step, changing colors, centering elements, and turning this into something that looks like a real modern website. Don't worry, CSS is easier than it looks, and we'll go step by step until your websites don't just work, they look amazing too.